Welcome to Mazurek Gravity. Today the topic is thermodynamic system. So let's see what is system. A matter or region on which analysis is done. So basically it is an area where we usually pursue our thermodynamics study. So here if our study is going to be done on this circle, then it will be called a system. Now let's see what is surrounding. Anything external to the system is called surrounding. Now the region here out of this circle will be termed as surrounding. When system and surrounding comes together, we call it universe, and the outline which separates the system and surrounding is called boundary. Now let's see all the topic with one example. Suppose this circle is a universe, so the box on which our study will be done is system. Region between this box and circle will be surrounding, and the line separating this box from surrounding is boundary. Let's see some points of boundary. A boundary can be fixed or movable. Example of fixed boundary is closed bottle filled with water, and example of movable boundary is piston cylinder arrangement. Now let's see types of system. There are mainly three types of system: closed, open and isolated. There is no mass transfer in closed system but allow energy transfer. Open system allow both mass and energy transfer, but isolated system neither allow mass or energy to move across the boundary. Example of closed system is piston cylinder arrangement without valves. Example of open system is pump and turbine. And example of isolated system is universe and bottle with adiabatic wall. Isolated system is an hypothetical term.